Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So in the previous video we have changed the admin URL and path in Magento to admin configurations. Now we are going to do this part from the code level from the configurations file. So what we have to do, let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it to this video. Okay, so let's get started. So here we go with this one. So we have go with the code. Let's go with the app etc. Then we have a env.php. Okay, so here we have the backend to where it is. So here we go with the front name is this one. So if you want to change this, you can change it from here also, right? So currently you can see that my URL is this one. Okay, so I'm going to make it here. Let me show you. So I'm going to add admin 123. Okay, so this is my current front name. Okay, I'm going to save this and just run the cache flush. So here we go with sudo php pin magento cache flush. Okay, let's see the path is changed or not. So I'm going to add this one because previously it was this one. Open a private window, paste what it says. Let's see. And if I go with this one, admin 123, then it says page not found. I think we should run the commands. Let's upgrade this. Let's move to the next one, deploy. Permissions. Let's see. It says admin 123. Why it should be there? Front name should be admin. I am on the right folder. Yes, I'm on the right folder. So why it's not working? I think it is overriding with this part. Let's log in with this part and let's check. Here we go with this one. So I'm going to disable from here stores configuration. So here we go with the advanced admin base URL. I'm going to set it no here. Save the configurations. Now you can see that it will read to the admin 123. So means the first priority it will take into the admin dashboard from this one, and now they are going to do with the admin 123 that we have done. Okay, so this is how we can change it from the code level in the Magento to Magento 2. So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. You can see that. Okay.